Hi guys, this is Miss Whitehurst and we are ready for week 6 of online learning. I cannot believe that we have already been through 5 weeks and it's been almost 7 weeks since I have seen you guys. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're keeping up with everything. This video is going to be really short and hopefully this will help you get an understanding of what you're doing for week 6. Alright, so we're going to talk about your tasks for this week, and then I'm going to go over your attendance question, keeping it nice and short today. Alright, so after you view this video, the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and complete your weekly attendance question in Google Classroom, and then reply in the comments to the question that I'm going to tell you in a minute. This week, what you are going to be doing is reading chapters 3 through 5 of The Outsiders. You can either read this on the PDF version that I've linked to Google Classroom. You can read it independently, or you can use the videos that I've posted to Google Classroom for each individual chapter. The videos are about 20 to 30 minutes each. You could do one a day, or you can power through and get them all done in one day if you prefer. But like I said, they're about 20 to 30 minutes each for each chapter. So you do need to make sure that you read or watch the video readings of chapters 3 through 5. I strongly recommend that while you pull up the videos for this week, because these look a little different, go ahead and have that PDF pulled up as well. Okay, so pull up your PDF of the text while you are reading, while you are watching the video, sorry. Pull up the PDF of the text while you are watching the video that is reading it out loud. That's just going to help you make sure that you don't zone out, you're following along with the words, and it is a little trick that will help you retain the information and remember it a lot more when you need to get to your assignment. Alright, so this week we do not have a discussion board. Instead, you have 2 assignments on Google Slides. Okay? You are going to complete analysis questions on Google Slides. This should be pretty simple. I think that there's about 9 questions for each one. It kind of varies. I do have analysis questions for each chapter. That means that you will see analysis questions for chapter 3, 4, and 5. However, you only need to complete 2 this week. You do not need to do all 3. Okay? You choose which combination of the chapters you want to focus on. You only need to do 2. You do not need to do the third one. If you really want to, you can. It's not going to be extra credit. If anything, maybe if you do this and you didn't do an assignment in the past couple weeks, I can excuse that, but it's not going to get you out of doing anything in the future. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I've uploaded all 3 chapters of analysis questions, but you only need to complete 2 of the assignments. Okay? If you have any questions while you're working on this assignment, or if you want to create your own discussion about chapters 3 through 5 of The Outsiders, feel free to post in the stream. If you have questions for me, the quickest way to get in touch with me is either through email or Remind text messages. All right. I also have Google Voice if you prefer to talk on the phone. Those are the quickest ways to get in touch with me if you are stuck or confused. Google Classroom does not send notifications when you comment on something. It does not send notifications when you post in the stream, so sometimes it takes me a little longer to see those. However, if you are curious or if you have a question about this text that you want your classmates to respond to, feel free to pose your question in the stream this week. Again, we're not having a formal discussion board, so if you want to do that informally, that's completely fine. But your assignments for this week are 2 Google Slides documents for chapters 3 through 5. Again, you are choosing which 2 that you would like to complete. You do not need to complete all 3. Alright, the last thing that we have in our quick video for week 6 is you do need to go ahead and complete your weekly attendance in Google Classroom. Respond to this question so that I know you watched the video. What has been your biggest achievement in quarantine? What are you proud of yourself for in these last 5 to 7 weeks? I'm curious to see your answers. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.